Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Are not coming forward to broadcast it with the right. Do you think that there's something missing somewhere between the AIFF and the broadcasters, or maybe the I-League thing?
That is something I think which will be clearer on the part of the All India Football Federation and the I-League committee. But I think with broadcast, it's all about the property and all about the budgets. So there I think to broadcast about 156 matches, it's not an easy cost, considering that the I-League clubs are based all across India, each and every corner, right from the northeast, from Mysore to down to Kozhikode in Kerala. So there are a lot of costs in terms of production. So that I think there's obviously difficulty with managing the budgets also.
Would you recently the reports that most of the clubs are not happy with the I-League's new strategy. So what is your take of Shillong on this?
I think the management can and our general manager can reply better than me in that point.
So recently there were some news floating around about issues between the AFF and the I-League clubs. But in the last few days, developments have been very positive. So we are hoping that all issues are resolved, before the first match of the I-League, which will start tomorrow, and hopefully, we'll get an announcement by the I-League of a broadcast.
As the CEO of the club, what do you, because no broadcasters is coming forward to get the live coverage of the I-League as compared to the previous years. What do you think? Do you think this will be a serious drawback for the clubs participating in the I-League? Because this is one of the leagues in India where it has been started for quite a number of years, and suddenly when the AIFF changed into the format of the ISL. So what will do you think that it will have a consequence for the performance or maybe for the club?
So I think you can see from last season the broadcast was very minimal compared to previous seasons. And that's why all the I-League clubs came together, after Durand Cup in the month of September. And we have come together with one united front, a genuine request by all the clubs that at least the broadcast of the I-League has to be taken very seriously because it also affects, the visibility of the league. It affects, the sponsorship generation of each and every club. So it's important for the sustainability of the clubs also. So and that's why we're happy in the last 2 months, whatever communications we've had with the All India Football Federation. So we will see, the positive developments now in the next, few days, like I mentioned.
In your opinion, why you have now for this coming season of I-League?
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm very happy with all of them. I'm really surprised with the level of the local players. Obviously, I knew a few of them, and after the Durand Cup performance, I had a very good impression of them. But what I saw in these 2 months is very, very good, and made me feel very, very optimistic for this I think.
Prior to this season, do you have you had any friendly matches, and over these friendly matches, how do you see the strength of the team?
What I asked to the club after the Durand Cup and knowing the big gap we had from the last match of the Durand Cup till the first match of our league, what I required them was to have at least one friendly match each week, and the club managed perfectly everything, and we had 12 friendly matches in all this time. So we could prepare everything. Obviously, we couldn't play against strong teams, strong clubs. However, we had the minimum level required to play against other clubs, other teams that make us to get better every day, to get better and to carry on with the preparation properly as we expected before.
So, coach, how's the preparation of the team? And
Jaga club, ka Shillong Lajong club, antang iron hande ikan kita ke jongi, Frankie Wam, but hari ke nombre, dan ru head coach jongi, coach Carlos Jose, but kujoro, ai haba lang CEO jong ka klub jong ni te ka I-League lase kumulya permana ka tayo berada bagal sedang kami benahi pemerintahan te kan sedang bermasyai ke sini ka game ke pendukung ke ba menjele bat ni yo ni kai haka ni ka season day ke perwan hapten ka Churchill Brothers but kajina kai ke long ka por nyewa jejan mit hang tai hako Shillong Sport Association Stadium tengah sukan penpau bajing ai ku leye ki pai ba ki ba juga syan ni ka klub jongi nagawe ka or si pat bat hado ka kalimat ka khadu chong ka tuka jina kai ka bladep ton bladep kalong sya ka jing ai muslim di klub bar ko we e hari ke kalimat ro hari ke ti ko mantaro ismo ban kwilinti ri juga jika syan ka li pai ba kam tam ha game kon kong ke brio ke le ka si Sunday ke ban kendu e ka we ni klub ka rim ha po ka ni ka ri ke jongi ka bang e pi ka Churchill Brothers ti ha ni ka ji kai ka don ka jindi tiket